Welcome. If you've ever accidentally deleted an important file in Google Drive, don't worry. There's a simple way to get it back. Today, I'll show you the easiest method to restore files from the trash, also known as the bin, in Google Drive. This process works on any device, whether you're using your phone, tablet, or computer. Let's start with the basics. When you delete a file or folder in Google Drive, it isn't gone forever right away. Instead, it moves to the bin, where it stays for 30 days. During this time, you can restore it with just a few taps. But remember, after 30 days, Google Drive will automatically remove it from the bin, and recovery becomes much harder, so act quickly. Here's how to restore your deleted files. First, open Google Drive and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. Usually 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Bin. Tap on Bin to see all the files and folders you've deleted in the last 30 days. Take a moment to look through the list and find the file or folder you want to recover. Once you've found your file, tap the 3 dots next to it. This opens a menu with several options. Tap on Restore. Instantly, Google Drive will move your file back to its original location, just like it was before you deleted it. That's it. Your file is now back and ready to use. If you ever delete something by mistake, this is the best case scenario for getting it back quick, easy, and reliable, as long as the file is still in the bin. A quick tip. If you delete a file and realize it immediately, look for the Undo option that pops up in Google Drive. Tapping Undo will instantly restore your file without even visiting the bin. Just remember, after 30 days, or if you empty the bin manually, those files are gone for good unless you have a backup. So check your bin regularly and restore anything important before it's too late. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might need a quick file rescue in Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.